All right. Here we go. So question number one, for each scenario listed below, determine whether it's independent samples or dependent matched pairs. All right, so this is important because we're practicing this difference. And this will be very important on the test because you'll have, it won't tell you what kind of question it is. You just have to be able to tell based upon the scenario, the real life situation that you're dealing with. So how do we do that? How do we look at this and know? Well, what we're going to do is read here. Compare the daily high temperatures in Los Angeles and San Diego for each day of the summer. Is that matched pairs or independent samples? Think about what they're saying. They're saying that they went day by day, right? Each day. So they took like, I don't know, in summer. So maybe they took like July 1st. And they did LA and San Diego. The high in LA might have been 89 and San Diego might have been 87. The weather's always beautiful in those places. And then they did like July 2nd, and maybe it went up to 91 in LA and 89 in San Diego, and etc. Right? That's what they're saying they did. They did each day, the daily high temperatures in the summer, day by day for LA and San Diego. So you tell me, is that matched pairs or independent samples?
Matched pairs.
Yeah, that's matched pairs for sure. So a lot of what you have to be able to do is read those words. I think once you write it out, it's pretty clear, huh? All right, let's try B. Comparing the number of times 50 students in California and 50 students in Texas ate out in restaurants last year. So what does that mean? They grabbed 50 California students and they asked them, how many times did you eat out last year? Maybe I ate out 20, probably more than that, 62 times last year. Maybe that was they're going to find an average, right? They're going to ask all these 50 California students, and they're going to have some average for the California students was 60 times, including Taco Bell and McDonald's and all the little 69 times. And then they're going to ask 50 Texas students, how many times did you guys eat out last year? Maybe they ate out 94 times on average. I don't know. Is that matched pairs or independent samples? It's independent, isn't it? Does everybody see that? Those are just two separate groups. They're not connected in any way, right? They're not connected in any way. Whereas the temperatures up here, these were connected because it was the same day. It was July 1st, right? And how did I do that? It said each day. So that matched them up day by day. See the difference? All right, let's try C. C says, comparing revenue at a bike shop in March and in September. So they say, all right, in March, what was the average revenue the shop made? I don't know. Average daily revenue, maybe they made $1,512 on average. And in September, maybe their average a little higher because it's, I don't know, whatever, 72. So that's independent, huh? Everybody see that? That's just, even you see, that's the same bike shop, yeah, but it's not matched pairs in any way, right? They're not matching day by day or person by person in any way. Comparing revenue at a bike shop in March and September. It's not matched up individually. All right, let's try D. Comparing the calories consumed 50 people for breakfast and for dinner. So you're going to take, like, there's 50 people, and for those people, how many calories they consume for breakfast and for dinner. So you're going to take person number one, and you're going to have their breakfast and their breakfast and their dinner calories. Maybe I don't even know calorie numbers very well. maybe 800 calories for breakfast and 1,000 for dinner. And then person number 2, maybe 700 calories here and 800 calories there. These are going to be matched pairs, aren't they? Do you see that? Why? Because it's the same people, breakfast and dinner. Like this was up here, you know, the same days, each day, each person. Are you seeing that difference? Is that making sense on that?